we should look for those meanings in the Karamat. What values are being conveyed to us through Karamat? And Karamat should be considered as a method to legitimize the authority of the Sheikh or the Pir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Let us be sorry.
Well, answer, please go on. What I mean is, if such situations do not at all arise, why did this term come into being? If there's nothing like Karamat, it should not have, the word should not have origin itself. So once you have a word, it means it does imply it has got a meaning, it has got some connotations. This is all my observation. I want to say yes, sir, I just agree with my teacher, Professor Zilli, that yes, about not to negate any information, because I was doing my research, sir, Design sir asked me to go through Father for. मियाँ देखिए उसमें बहुत information है आर्मी के ऊपर. No, I was in a state of mind, how can I go through it with a non-political source? Why should I do it? Like everybody else was worrying about the mystic sources. But fortunately, sir, I came to know about the information regarding the hygiene conditions of the battle camps, the cantonment areas, which were described in the Father Power. And later on, Professor thoroughly also used this source for the description of Delhi. So there are many other aspects that should not be ignored, as sir pointed out. And those spiritual aspects, one may agree or disagree, but other information are there. Want to say something?
Sir, I wanted to ask a question that whether in the present context the Karamat have been considered and promoted as a means and method to make believe in Islam or the existence of Almighty Allah. In fact, the thing is that many a time the attendants of the Sheikh used to exaggerate it out of proportion and make a mountain out of mole that about the Karamat. Otherwise, Karamat should not perhaps be considered as the basis of our Iman.
You are absolutely true. Karamat can be an exception, not as a rule, and as far as to consider that somebody is capable of doing things that which are divine within the domain of the divine authority, this is absolutely something that cannot be accepted. And there are many things which have been brought into the within the domain of the religion which have no basis in religion, and that is very great unfortunate situation for us.
And I will call upon another great personality, Professor Jamaluddin, who has been the chairman Department of History in Jamia, apart from having many other administrative posts. My contact with him was through my father, and later on, when I joined Jamia, I was the chairman of that time. Jamal bhai, you title of the paper and you may proceed, please.